Hello and welcome to your YouTube channel at Dr. Jasmine. Today the featured school is Harvard University College of Dentistry. This is the fifth school that we are talking about in our CAAPID program application requirements. A legal disclaimer, this video is for informational purpose only. I try my best to get you as much updated information as I can, but please, I have a sincere request. Make sure you go to the school's website and also to the CAAPID website for any updated details. So the program is Harvard University College of Dentistry. They're located in Washington, D.C., and the degree awarded is a DDS. The website is dentistry.harvard.edu. The program start date is May 1st, 2026. It's a 24-month program, and the program size is an estimated 10 students. The application details. Application opened March 6, 2025, and the application deadline is July 31st, 2025, which means you still have a few more weeks. There is a supplemental application and there is a supplemental application fee. The school requires INBDE 1 and 2 that is taken within the last 5 years, and you're requested to submit the scores via our CAAPID website. If and when you get an interview invite, that's when you're required to bring your official scores during the interview. INBDE can be taken instead of the INBDE 1 and 2. TOEFL is required with a minimum score of 100 on the TOEFL IBT. No GRE or ADAT is required. There is a bench test, and the school accepts evaluation either from ECE or WES. Letters of evaluation, one letter is preferred from the dean. The school has not said anything specific about how many letters of evaluation or letter of recommendations they are asking for. Visa is sponsored, so the school definitely does an I-20, and this green card holders and citizens are also encouraged to apply. Here is the website where you can find all programs, the CAAPID website, and this is the link to the application. If you have any questions, please comment in the comment section below and let us know if there's anything that we can assist you with, if you need any further information. Thank you once again. Thank you so much for all the love that you have been giving us. Please like, share, and subscribe. Your channel is called Dr. Jasmine, and please join us on Facebook for daily updates. Take care and wish you all the best.